How to send email to multiple people individually in Outlook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook on your device. Then click on New Mail at the top left corner of your screen, which will open this page. On the right side, you'll find CC and BCC. If you click on CC, you will be able to add only one. So click on BCC and enter the people you want to send it to. Add second, third, any number you want, and it will be sent individually. Simply add your subject, add what you want to send to your email, and it will be sent separately. And this is how to send email to multiple individuals in Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.